Nice day start with a comfortable bathroom. Anlabeier brand water heater, you will enjoy bath every day. Anlabeier professional R&D team spent 180 days designing through multiple security and functional tests, CE, 3C, road trace, SUPER, ERP, and patent certificate. Successfully developed an instant electric water heater HY80 with Wi-Fi remote control function. Wi-Fi connection, open Bluetooth, connect to Wi-Fi, open the Smart Life app, add devices, select devices, connect to Wi-Fi. Complete connection. Mobile Wi-Fi remote control machine adjusts temperature, water flow, check the power consumption and water usage. Built-in intelligent constant temperature chip microcomputer respond quickly, accurately calculate water volume and voltage. Meet your different requirements for water temperature and take a comfortable bath. Setting temperature, actual outlet water temperature, water flow, working voltage and time. Press the up and down button while the device is turned off. 80 is 8 kW. Adjust the up and down keys to select power. Finally, press the power button to complete. Long press the up button to display the inlet water temperature. Quickly heat up to the setting temperature, up to max 55 degrees. Heating water, warming up your life.